don't like it that way, stay that way, but I don't want you rocking back. One.
Go.
Gotta catch it, gotta catch it.
Go.
That's it, that's it, that's it. Way to read it.
Go.
Ah!
Same thing on defense, that to get used to the hand.
I know you're dropping. I know you're dropping.
Left, right,
Go.
left, right.
I'm gonna drop him, coach. All right, I'm gonna trip this one.
See the hand, left and right. Gonna help you on defense. Hey, back in front of you. You gotta go over. Come on.
Told you. Told you. I smell fear. I smell fear.
Go.
Actually, that's tackle. That's our tackle.
Yeah. People in the quarterback scared now. Go.
Nate.
So now let's go. Go. Ready. Set, go.
Shit, huh? Sound like my feet get me in that shit.